From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
If you've been outside today, you've probably noticed that conditions are a little bit more soggy and warmer than average for this time of year, and those conditions are expected to continue into the overnight hours. I'm Kaitlyn with your Thursday evening forecast. A look at Beaver Stadium and our current conditions shows that we are sitting at about 45 degrees, which is warm for this time of year. It's well above average for this time of year in terms of temperature, and our dew point is also 45 degrees. If I told you I straightened my hair last night, you probably wouldn't believe me, because it is just that humid outside. And visibility is our main travel impact, and you can almost pick out the areas throughout the Commonwealth that might be experiencing some visibility issues. Those would be areas where our temperature and our dew point are rather close together, so State College being an example, Johnstown being an example, and up into the northern tier. That's where we're expecting, or that's where there is the most moisture at the surface in the atmosphere, and that does decrease visibility quite a bit. State College, our visibility is only about 1/10 of a mile. If you remember from that live shot I just showed a couple of seconds ago, you couldn't even see Beaver Stadium, or you could see Beaver Stadium, but you couldn't see Mount Nittany in the background. Visibility is even lower in some of the higher elevations down in Johnstown and up into the northern tier as well, and that is our main travel impact for this evening, or at least our evening commute. Not much precip going on right now. There might be a couple of scattered showers down in the Ridge and Valley region. However, those might not be reaching the ground. Like I said, we are experiencing a lot of moisture in the atmosphere, causing dense fog and a lot of visibility issues as we head into the evening as well. Heavier rain is expected to move in overnight tonight. Maybe some pop-up thunderstorms in the west, and that will swing through our Commonwealth throughout the overnight hours and into the morning. Things are looking to clear up precip-wise by the morning tomorrow, and some spots, especially across the southern and southeastern portions of the Commonwealth, may even see some sunshine tomorrow. But conditions are expected to become more overcast as we head into the weekend. For right now, our pressure tracker is indicating widespread high pressure across much of the nation. That's generally calm conditions rather than some big severe weather. However, we'll notice there's a small low pressure system that's going to gain some moisture from the Gulf, and that is expected to swing up through our area as we head into later in the weekend and early next week. That could cause some precipitation and travel impacts. We'll take a look at just what those might be with our future weather. We'll see rain showers are expected to move in Sunday morning, and by later in the morning, precipitation might change over to rain and even some mixed precipitation, freezing rain and sleet depending on where you are. It's very elevation dependent. Higher elevations might see more of that wintry mix and snow as we head throughout the day on Sunday. So if you are looking for a day to travel, I would definitely make that day Saturday for this weekend. We're expecting some clearing and some lake effect snow showers to continue throughout the day on Monday to kick off our work week, and some clearing is expected by Tuesday. As for tomorrow, we are expecting things to be a little bit warmer than average. 57 degrees is our high tomorrow. There will be some fog early. However, generally overcast skies throughout the day. Might see a couple of peaks of sun. But our 7-day forecast shows, like I mentioned, we are expecting a rainmaker to move through this weekend, maybe a snowmaker as well, into the beginning of next week. Snow showers may continue behind that storm. However, we are expecting things to clear up as we head throughout the work week next week. We'll have updated forecasts for you tomorrow and early next week. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Kaitlyn. Have a great night.